Hey guys, and welcome back. So as you can tell by the title, we are going to review some new products by Mielle Organics, and these products are an extension to the Pomegranate and Honey line. So I'm starting with the Moisturizing and Detangling shampoo, and this shampoo is sulfate free, and it's supposed to loosen as well as ease detangling.
That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet.
Now from jump, this is not your regular shampoo. It caught me off guard after rinsing the shampoo out because it felt more like a clarifying shampoo versus a moisturizing shampoo. So you're going to want to keep that in mind. Now it lathers wonderfully, but a little does go a long way. As you can see, I applied quite a bit, which isn't necessary.
Sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete.
Now my hair felt really clean. It looks moisturized, but it doesn't feel moisturized.
The crack of dawn, I imagine you waiting by my doorstep.
Going in with the moisturizing and detangling conditioner, I'm going to apply it to each section. Now this conditioner locks in moisture, it prevents breakage, and overall it does feel like a deep conditioner. It's thick and buttery, which I absolutely love.
Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. Cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up this empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete.
To finish styling, I'm using some of the other products from this line. The Pomegranate and Honey line is one of my favorites to use. So I do have a couple of videos that will be iCarded and linked in the description box below on how I style with these products. And the leave-in is great at keeping my hair soft while defining my curls.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger.
So for my type 4 hair ladies and guys, if you have yet to try the curling custard, you're going to want to try it. Just check out my videos using this custard, and that's all I'm going to say about that. This is one of my top favorite custard for curl definition.
Still meant to be, 'cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets.
After air drying, I'm taking a curl refreshing spray to keep my curls hydrated, soft, and shiny. So overall, the conditioner and curl refreshing spray are great on my type 4 hair. As far as the shampoo, I would recommend using it to clarify your hair only, and that's only if you have a lot of buildup. So just my thoughts on that. So those are my thoughts on the Mielle Organic Pomegranate and Honey Shampoo, Conditioner, and Refreshing Spray. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys will be getting your hands on any of these products. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye!
When you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me, yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets, 'cause I'm incomplete. 'Cause I'm incomplete.